Please subscribe math.com for any query, comment or email. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss another Islamic tax, that is Usher. It's an Islamic tax on agricultural produce. So this is the definition of Usher, that it's an Islamic tax that is applicable on the production that is received by agriculture. There are some points that you have to keep in mind about Usher, that what is its limits, where it is applicable, and when it is applicable. If it's we will see what is the percentage of Usher on the agricultural produce. Let's see one by one few points that you have to keep in mind. The amount of or the percentage of the tax, that is Usher, is 10% of the produce in case of irrigated land by natural resources. It means irrigation is done by natural resources like rain or springs or streams, etc. This is the percentage on Usher, or on the percentage of Usher on the production. Okay, it will be 5% of produce in case the irrigation is by artificial means. What are the artificial means or resources? Such as wells, buckets or tube wells. Okay, and then there is a minimum amount that is being fixed for the Usher to be liable. Okay, so that the amount is 948 kg in weight. It means the weight of the produce or the production should be 948 kg for the Usher to be applicable. So this is called nisab. Why? Because this is the minimum amount of produce that is required for the Usher to be applicable. Otherwise, no Usher will be applicable. So these were the percentages of Usher that you have to pay on getting the agriculture produce that is of 948 kg or above. Let's have some examples to see how you can calculate the Usher on your agricultural produce. The problem is, so this is the problem, where a rice crop is sold by the farmer for rupees 12 lakh. It means the value of the production, or it means that the price of the production is 12 lakh, and it means that its weight must be greater than 948 kg. That is required for the Usher to be applicable. So we have to calculate the Usher at the rate of 10%. Okay, as you know, there are two rates, 10% or 5%, as we discussed before. First, we will write what is given. Total amount, that is rupees 12 lakh. That is the value of the production from the rice crop. Okay. Then the rate of Usher is given, that is 10% of the production. Then what we have to calculate is amount of that, how much that farmer has to pay for this rice crop. Okay, let's find it out. Amount formula is, again, we have to keep in mind the percentage concept. Amount of Usher is equals to 10% of the total amount, that is of 12 lakh. So we can write as 10 by 100. Percentage sign will be replaced by 1 over 100 multiplied by 1 by 12 lakh. Okay, we will write as this, and the answer will be as 12 into 1, 2, 3, 4 rupees. So this is the amount of Usher that farmer has to pay on the crop that is being sold. So this is 1,20,000. Okay, it's 1,20,000 that the farmer has to pay for the crop of 12 lakh. Okay, this is how you can calculate the amount of Usher. Let's have one more example. This is the problem number 2, where the given quantities is the amount of Usher being paid by a person, that is 7895, and as Usher, and the rate of the Usher is 10%, and we have to calculate how much amount did that person earn for which he has paid the Usher amount of Usher as 7895. So first we will write what is given. Amount of Usher is rupees 7895. Rate of Usher is 10%. Now we can't use the formula here, that 10% of the amount, as we don't have the original amount here, as we just have the amount of Usher. Let's see how we can calculate. What is unknown here is the amount earned by the person who has paid the Usher. Let's see how we can calculate it. We can calculate it by a unitary method, as we have given that 10% of the amount earned is rupees 7895. Okay, then we can calculate the 1% of the amount earned, that is 7895. 7895 over 10. And similarly, we can calculate the 100% of the amount, that is the original amount earned. You get 7895 over 10 multiplied by, what will be the answer? Answer will be 78950. So this is the actual amount on which the person has paid the Usher of 7895. So this is how you can calculate if you are given with the amount of the Usher and the rate and you don't know what is the actual amount. Thank you. This video, please subscribe math.com for more videos. Thank you.